Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get 4K quality without premium on CapCut mobile. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone, and first of all I'm going to open my project. This is the project that I have created on my CapCut, and I'm going to open it. Okay, and if you want to get 4K quality, we have to export this video as 4K quality video. So we can click on this button to export our video, and we can select the export quality right here. And you just need to select 4K quality. You can go right like this to get the 4K quality, and after that you can click on done and click on save to this device, and this video will be saved to your device with 4K quality like this. And alright guys, that's how we can get 4K quality without premium on CapCut mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.